Hello friends. I am having cold. I am unable to speak. Still, I am making this video for you guys. So please consider. Radha and Naina are two friends. They study in the same class. Radha can speak English very fluently and very clearly. Naina can also speak English, but she speaks very slowly. In school, people like Naina more than Radha because Naina speaks slowly, but English is clear and there is no mistake. Whereas Radha speaks very fast, but she makes a lot of mistake. So you tell me now, is it good to be like Radha or is it good to be like Naina? So my dear friends, if you want to gain fluency, if you want to learn how to speak English without any mistake, today's video is for you. What can you do to learn English effectively? I am sharing with you 6 simple ways to learn English effectively. So before we start, I welcome you all to Hello English. My name is Rupam, and if you like this video, please do subscribe. The first point is having an aim or goal is important when you are learning a language. You should think, you should analyze why you are learning this language. Is it because you want to read books? Is it because you want to make yourself happy? Or is it because you want to be fluent in English and talk to others? For example, you always wanted to read some novels, some English novels. Maybe that is why you are learning English. Or maybe you want to become a public speaker, and that is why you want to learn English. When you have decided that what you want to do with your English, then start with some small aims. Those small aims in a period of time will take you to a bigger place. By having lots of small aims, you can soon build up to your main goal. This method helps you to stay motivated. Next one. Do you love to study in the early morning? Or are you a night owl? Learning a language takes a lot of time and practice. Therefore, it helps if you have a routine when you are studying. You have to decide how long you can study. If you have time, you can spend at least 1 to 2 hours every day. Or if you are busy, at least you can spend 1 hour in the entire week. But if you keep practicing regularly, you will be improving. You will improve your English if you keep regular practice. So try and find a routine that works best for you. Next. No one can become fluent in English at the first chance. It takes time. Once you make mistake, then only you learn. You should not hesitate. Suppose you get an opportunity to talk to people. You just back off and you sit behind and you say to yourself, not this time, next time I will do. This is a wrong attitude. You may not get this type of opportunity again. So, whenever you get a chance, come forward, talk to people in English. You may make mistake, but you will learn from that mistake. When you learn from your mistake, it makes you better at using English in a natural way. Next, if you want to improve your English, just don't rely on notebooks. Notebooks are good to improve your vocabulary, but to learn more, you have to concentrate on listening. The more you listen, the more it goes to your mind and it stays there for a longer period of time. Don't use the strategy used by English textbooks, which says repeat after the speaker. Instead of mindlessly parroting the words or phrases spoken by the speaker, you should answer question asked. Suppose if you're listening to a podcast or any video, after listening for 20 to 30 seconds, every 20 to 30 seconds, pause it and recall what's been said, and you try to express that in your own words. Whatever you are studying, you have to review on a regular basis. Suppose today you learn few words. If you don't revise that tomorrow or day after, there is a maximum possibility that you will forget those words. So, to keep those words in your mind for a longer period of time, you have to revise. You need to review vocabulary a number of times before it becomes a part of your active language. What you can do, you could read it the first time, listen to the pronunciation of the word, write it down in a sentence, and then try to use it in your spoken English. Finally, we come to the last point. When it comes to learning a language, it can be English, it can be Chinese, Spanish. We should always concentrate on quality more than quantity. What does it mean? It means that whatever you learn, be perfect on that. Instead of learning a lot of things and forgetting the next day, learn in small parts so that you remember for your entire life. This prevents you from suffering from information overload. In addition, this strategy allows you to place the meaning of words and phrases deeper into your brain. As a result, you will not forget them easily. It will stay with you. So, my dear friends, these are the 6 simple ways to learn English effectively. If you have any question, you can write in the comment. I wish you all the best. Thank you.